Hello parents and guardians. I just quickly wanted to show you a few things that I've added to my Canvas page. So when your child logs in with Google and they're on their Canvas page and you click on my folder, if you scroll down, I wanted to point out some of these buttons, okay? And I know I talked about it in the last video, but I just quickly wanted to point out one of them, and that was Parent Resources. If you click on the Parent Resource button, it will bring you to the Parent Resource information. And in here is how to navigate Canvas. So I posted that video of how to get around Canvas and what to look for and things like that. Also, there's a School Tool account and mobile guide. So if you click on this, it'll give you information about School Tool account and your mobile guide. So those things, that's right there. If I go back and I click on Class Help, this is just giving you my information, the phone number to reach me here at school, my email address, how to sign up for the Remind app. Also down here, if you're having trouble with Canvas or the Chromebook or something like that, you can submit a ticket here, or you can always call them by calling this number with the extension. Also, there is a link that you can ask a question. So if you have a question or your child has a question, all you have to do is click in the reply box, click in this box, type away your question, and then you need to make sure you hit post reply, otherwise it will not send it to me. So that's another way to communicate with me. And then also in your Parent Resources, I've included the class schedule for the year, so you have the times and things like that. Please, if you have any questions or you need help, please let me know, but I will say that your child is doing awesome. They have adjusted well to the new learning. I'm super proud of them. And thank you for all of your help and support, because I certainly wouldn't be able to do my job without you. I greatly appreciate all of it. Thanks so much.